Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amarse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 14, Practical Geometry.
Exercise 14.4, question number 1. Draw any line segment AB, mark any point M on it. Through M, draw a perpendicular to line segment AB. Use ruler and compass. Students, here we have to draw a line segment AB and then we have to mark a point M on it. And then through M we have to draw a perpendicular to line segment AB and we have to use ruler and compass. Solution for question number 1. Step number 1 is draw a line segment AB and mark a point M on it. Students, with the help of a ruler, we have to draw line segment AB. Here students, in this way we have to draw a line and we will name it as A and B and we have to mark a point M on it. Now, taking M as a center and a convenient radius, construct an arc intersecting the line segment at point C and D. Here we have to take any radius and with that radius we have to construct an arc intersecting the line segment at point C and D. In this way we have to draw an arc and we will name it as point C and D. Next step is by taking the center as C and D with radius greater than CM. Here we have to take the radius which is greater than CM. This much is CM. We have to take radius which is greater than CM. We will take first C as a radius and we will draw an arc which will intersect each other at point Q, and then again we will take D as a point and we will make an arc. Here students, you can see these two arcs intersect each other at point E. We will name it as point E. Then we have to join EM. In this way students, we have to join line segment EM. So now you can see that line segment EM is perpendicular to line segment AB. Students, ignore question number 2. Question number 3. Draw a line L and a point X on it. Through X, draw a line segment XY perpendicular to L. Now draw a perpendicular to line segment XY at Y. Use ruler and compass. Students, here we have to draw a line and a point X on it, and then through X point we have to draw a line segment XY which is perpendicular to L, and then we have to draw perpendicular to line segment XY at point Y, and we have to use ruler and compass. Solution for question number 3. Steps of construction. Step number 1 is draw a line L and mark a point X on it. Students, with the help of the ruler, first you have to draw a line L . In this way students, you will draw line L and will mark a point X on it. Now step 2 is with the center X and any convenient radius. We have to take any radius and we will take the center X and we will draw an arc to cut the line L at point AB. Students, in this way we will take the center X and with any convenient radius we will cut the line L and draw an arc, and we will name these points as A and point B. Step 3 is with the center A and radius more than the length of line segment AX. Students, this much is line segment AX we have to take length which is more than AX. In this way we have to take the length which is more than length of AX, and we have to draw an arc taking center A. Students, in this way we will draw an arc. We will take the center A and we will draw an arc. Now step 4 is with center B and the same radius. We have to take the same radius and we have to take the center as B, and we have to draw another arc to cut the previous arc. We'll draw another arc and we'll cut the previous arc, and we will name it as point C. Now step number 5 is we have to join C and X point and extend it and make a point Y on the line CX. Here in this way we will join CX and we will extend this line and we will mark a point Y. Then the line segment XY is perpendicular to line L. Here students, you can see that this much is line segment XY which is perpendicular to line L. Now step number 6 is with the center Y and any convenient radius draw an arc to cut the line XY. Now students, we will take any radius and we will take the center Y and we will draw an arc which will cut the line XY. Students, in this way we have to draw an arc with center Y and which will cut the line XY, and we will name it as point E and this point is point D. Now step 7 is with center D and radius more than the length of DY. Here we have to take length which is more than the length of DY. We'll take this much length and we will take the center as D and we will draw an arc. We will place the pointer at point D and we will draw an arc. In this way we have to draw an arc. Now next step is with the center E and the same radius draw another arc to cut the previous arc, and we will name this arc, this point as point F. Now we have to join FY points. Students, in this way we will join this line FY. Then we can say that line FY is perpendicular to line segment XY at point Y. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.